Hi everyone, and today we're back with another Nukes Top 5. It's been a while. It's not been that long, but it feels like a while for me. This isn't a new one, this is an old one. Hang on, let me sort out the thingy so it can focus. You got a focus camera? I think that's the best you're gonna get, actually. Right. 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. Oh, wow. Link in the description will be in...
Top 5 scariest things caught on doorbell cameras. A cry for help. This video was posted by Reddit user Unknown Truth. He says that his friend's wife had a very odd experience one day as she walked outside to do the laundry. The incident was caught on their Ring doorbell camera.
What the fuck? Get it? Yep, get inside. Get inside.
The woman hears some strange noise, and it's not coming from the Ring camera speaker. In fact, the eerie moaning seems to be coming right out of the bare wall beside her. Now, I boosted the audio on this clip and, well, just take a listen.
Yeah.
Some strange voice in the wall seems to be crying out for help. The woman is so freaked out that she actually goes inside and calls the police.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just usually hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
The police search the premises, but there's no one there. So just what is this strange disembodied voice that seems to be begging for help? Let me know what you think down in the comments. No treat. The thought of Halloween sparks
I hate
happy
masks.
children dressed in costumes rushing from door to door to collect as much candy as they can.
Me and my friends had a competition for who could get the most candy in under an hour. I came out victorious.
Summer day in August in San Antonio, Texas.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Trick or treat. No, my feet.
He's wearing a mask. Wait, what?
The bizarre masked man says, "Trick or treat, smell my feet." Then he seems to get distracted by his own feet. And then he just seems to wander off in a confused state. Now, one has to wonder if the man had been having some special treats of his own.
Yeah, most probably. He'd most probably snorted.
On a warm sunny day in May, Gerald Haywood was
And I'm not saying that for
visiting
laugh, but like literally he
In
could
accordance
have.
with YouTube's family-friendly content guidelines, let me say in advance that no one was seriously hurt in this clip. But I'll explain that later.
Oh.
Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
What the f... What the f...
Turns out that there's a 6-foot-long snake wrapped around the porch light.
Oh, fuck that
Gerald
snake.
opens the door, the snake strikes just above his right eye. Luckily, the snake is not venomous, and the bite above his eye isn't deep.
Fuck
Gerald
that
was
snake.
rushed to the hospital, but didn't require anything more than a couple of band-aids and some light antibiotics. And I have to admit, the first time I watched this video, I thought it was horrific. And the second time, I thought it was hilarious. So, I'm sorry, Gerald.
What the fuck was with that hilarious? Wait. And also, what the fuck is a snake doing on a door? Why is it even there? I know it's a snake and they get around, but what the fuck?
Ghost caught on doorbell. YouTube user LexusJV claims that he caught a ghost on his Ring doorbell camera. At 4:23 in the morning, he got an alert that his camera had sensed motion.
Of course it
When he
does.
first reviewed the tape, he just noticed this, which just appears to be a spider web moving in the wind.
Most probably is.
But then, when he looked closer, he noticed this.
Oh, fuck off.
It looks almost as if some shapeless white face is pressed to the window for a closer look inside. The Ring camera, sensing no more motion, just shuts off. And it didn't turn back on again for the rest of the night. So is this a ghost in the window, or just a trick of the light?
Trick of the light.
In another alleged ghost Ring
Do you know how
Vincent
sensitive
Gaines
those...
posted a video saying that he thought his Ring doorbell had picked up a ghost.
Oh, frick off. Swear to God, if this is another American claiming that he's seen some shit. Oh my God. Oh, wow. That's definitely not the owner of the house in a costume or some shite. I can still see them. I can still see them.
We see what looks like a woman dressed all in white who seems to walk out of the darkness from somewhere near the house. And then she just sort of walks off into the dark.
Yeah.
Vengeance Gaming, who by the way has never posted another paranormal video on his channel, suggests that it could be, quote, the lady in white.
Oh, God.
But it could also simply just be a prank. You decide.
Could just
One
some...
night.
Oh, God.
Late one night, an older woman named Kathleen hears something outside her Bristol, Connecticut home. Cautious about opening the door to a stranger, she looks outside.
Blah, 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 blah. Hang on, guys. There you go, ads. You've now ruined my perfect camera angle. Oh.
Sees someone in a car parked just across the street from her house. She yells from a window.
Can I help you? The second time I yelled it, he took off without lights on and then went flying up the other street.
When Kathleen checks her Ring doorbell camera, her blood runs cold.
Oh, fuck off. Just some person trying to break into the woman's house.
It looks like a scene right out of a Purge movie, and the potential intruder definitely seems to have meant Kathleen harm.
Watch how he wipes off the door handle, but he's got something heavy in his pocket.
Kathleen contacted the police, but the mysterious man in the smiling mask has never been found.
Oh, he's...
It's not all bad. After all the weird and scary things that I've counted down in this list, it might seem like doorbell cameras only record frightening things and the absolute worst of human nature.
No, they don't.
So I wanted to include one last bonus story that might at least slightly restore your faith in humanity. Katie Eagermacris was leaving in a rush one morning from her Washington, D.C. home and forgot to zip her purse. Her wallet fell out somewhere along her way to work. She certainly never expected to see it again. But when she got home, she found this on her doorbell camera.
Oh, and look. Oh, look. It's a black guy. What was that, Karen, saying that black people are bad? What was that? That black person had every opportunity just to take that and not even return it. And yet, here he is doing just that. Fuck off, Karens. And fuck off, Donald Trump.
The man who had found her wallet had checked her ID to find her address, and then had even delivered her wallet right to her door. He tries to put it in her mailbox, but it won't fit, so he hides it safely under the mat.
Aww.
Katie says that all of her credit cards were there, and not even a single dollar was missing. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to submit or suggest a video, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. And please follow me on Twitter at nukestop5 for videos and other things. I don't know. Something.
Yeah. But... that guy wearing a clown mask was definitely smoking some shit. I'll tell you that. He was smoking some... Yeah. Link will be down below to the original video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.